Good day everyone. For today's discussion, we will talk about the Milky Way's dimension and its motion. Let's first define the Milky Way galaxy. It is a barred spiral galaxy where our solar system is located. It is found in a cluster of about 40 different galaxies called the local cluster, along with the other renowned galaxies such as Andromeda. It is the second brightest of the whole set, and according to some studies, it could be the most massive. The Milky Way sits in the outskirts of the Virgo supercluster. In a larger sense, the Milky Way is at the center of the observable universe. This is of course nothing special since on the larger size scales, every point in space is expanding away from every other point. Every object in the universe is at the center of its own observable universe. Where is Earth located in the Milky Way galaxy? Earth orbits the Sun, which is situated in the Orion Arm, one of its spiral arms. Earth and Sun are about 25,000 light-years away from the galactic center. Now let's talk about the dimension of our very own galaxy. In terms of diameter, it has an estimated mean diameter of 100,000 light-years and is 1,000 light-years thick. It is estimated that 100 to 400 billion different stars inhabit it, giving a total mass of 10 raised to 12 solar masses. If you take into account the dark matter in the Milky Way, its size increases dramatically. Based on current measurements, at least 90% of the mass in the Milky Way's gravitational field is made up of dark matter. So the luminous stars, gas, and dust of the galaxy are embedded at the center of a huge, roughly spherical dark matter halo more than 1 million light-years across. Before we proceed to the Milky Way's motion, let's discuss about its three parts first. We have here the halo. It is a spherical shaped structure that surrounds the galaxy and has a low concentration of gas and gas clouds. Instead, it contains many globular clusters of old stars that orbit the galaxy like satellites. It also features abundant dark matter which gravitationally influences the galaxy's motion. Next is the disk. Most of the young stars are contained in the disk, since it is the region with the highest gas content and where the star birth processes still take place. The disk contains the arms of the galactic spiral, and it is attached to the bulge of the galaxy by the star bar inside. And lastly, the bulge. This is the central region of the galaxy with the highest stellar density. It has a flattened spherical shape and has a rotary motion similar to that of a rigid solid. However, many investigations question the existence of the bulb and point more to a pseudobulb due to the formation of a star bar in its center. Now let's talk about the motion of the Milky Way. It is thought that the Milky Way galaxy is moving through space as fast as 2.2 million kilometers per hour. Speed in space is measured using cosmic microwave background or CMB, and this is the remaining radiation from the Big Bang. The Milky Way moves as part of the local group, and this is a large group made up of over 50 other galaxies, of which the Milky Way is one of the biggest. As it moves, it travels in the direction of the Virgo and Leo constellations, also where the Great Attractor is situated. The Sun rotates once every 31 days at its poles and once every 27 days at its equator, thereby rotating at two separate rates. The Milky Way galaxy also rotates, but similarly to the Sun, the Milky Way galaxy is rotating at different rates from the center outwards. Many people question whether the Milky Way galaxy is rotating in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. This actually depends on the angle from which you are looking at it. In addition, Milky Way has four spiral arms. The major arms are Scutum Centaurus and Perseus, and the minor arms are the Norma and Cygnus and Sagittarius. These are situated between the major arms. The Sun is situated in a minor arm within a spur called the Orion Spur. The Orion Spur is a major Milky Way structure and crosses the Perseus arm. The rotation of these spiral arms is what gives the Milky Way its spiral look in pictures. The spiral is created by the rotation of matter around the center of the galactic disk. The spiral arms are also known as density waves or standing waves. The stars within them revolve faster in the center than those further out, which means the stars do not remain within the spiral arms and rotate around the galaxy's center. That's it for the Milky Way's dimension and motion. I hope you learned something. Thank you for listening.